Here we have a 67 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the carbon black metallic paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, two gloss black front kidney grills. We have the M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter. We also have the side skirts along the bottom and the rear spoiler as well. Round to the driver's side, you'll find that we have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler just there as well. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Coming into the interior, you'll find that we have the full blue leather interior just there. Both these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable, with the driver's side having the memory function. We have the electric windows and electric mirrors on the doors, the premium Harman Kardon sound system just there. We have the auto lights as well as the auto wipers as well. Multifunctional steering wheel, which has the carbon fibre effect. We also have the M Sport stitching as well. Paddle shifters either side. We have the cruise control and speed limiter, high beam assist as well. Digital dashboard just up top, and the main infotainment screen in the centre. If that's flickering, that is just the camera. It's not like that in reality. On here you'll find the likes of the sat nav. We also have the DAB radio. We have all of the different drive modes, the phone connectivity as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.